There's an action package Celica here at my local Pick-N-Pull. I do have to go to Pick-N-Pull because I need to grab the overflow reservoir bracket for the Civic. I can't find it anywhere. I just can't. So I'm gonna go get that for sure. But I just got a notification today of an action package 7th gen Celica. Let's go see if something is on it. I'm not too concerned about that car, but if we find something, we find something. But something tells me I'm gonna see someone I know at the junkyard. So again, I'm not going for that. I'm going for the overflow bracket. It was just a coincidence that I got the notification today on my day off. So let's go to Pick-N-Pull. Man, there's a lot of development here on Arch Road. They got this new gas station and car wash. Man, move out of the way. I gotta go to Pick-N-Pull. But yeah, we're about 10 minutes from opening. I'm like down the street from Pick-N-Pull. Again, I saw the notification like around 7 in the morning, but I was like, I am not gonna waste my morning coming out here and camping out because it's not that serious the action package. Let me lower this down a bit. I don't want to say like I retired from junkyarding. It's just one of those things that once I got my job at Honda and once like I became a flat rate line technician, it's a lot harder to ask for a day off because you don't make hours if you ask for days off. So it's like, you know, you're losing out on money. So I don't want to. I'll make more money going to work than coming to the junkyard and possibly not finding something to sell. So it's kind of not my best of interest to do that anymore. But I still do it on the side here and there. I've found recently cool stuff at the junkyard. It's just random. So we're gonna see if I find something today. Maybe it'll like light up that spark that was in me that I used to have of junkyarding. But for now, it's kind of like I guess I'm retired from it. But yeah, we're about to pull up. And I have a feeling I know this guy's gonna be here. Oh my God, it's already packed. Dude, did they really open at 8? It said that they open at 9. Oh man, that's gonna be really dumb because I know it's winter hours. I know it's winter. My God, look at that line. We're not getting shit. We're not getting shit. We're not getting shit. I don't see him. He's definitely none of these guys right here. $9 a.m. Why aren't they open? I got a little bit longer. Let's go. The spoiler's there. Nice. Woo, scored. Is the bumper here? Dude, no fucking way. Dude, we scored. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that. Holy shit, just needs a little repair right there. We're taking this, baby. We're taking it. Holy shit, guys. I'm just gonna record real quick, but I'm gonna come back because I got a rear disc conversion waiting for me right there. These two Celicas weren't on the road, on the road 450, can't even speak. These two Celicas weren't on the road 52 notifications. So I'm gonna come and grab this rear disc conversion if no one comes right now. I already went ahead and pulled off the rear bumper, the front bumper, and the spoiler. These are authentic Toyota, but it does have some replica, some sort of crappy fiberglass side skirts. Don't need those. But yeah, it's on this side too. But this is the shit that I hate that Pick-N-Pull does. They need to put it under the car, not on the sides. And I get it because the side's a side rail, but it just damages the side skirts. Man, that passenger seat looks nice, but we're not here for that. So I'm just giving you guys a quick little recap. I'm gonna go pay for this stuff because I'm by myself. I don't wanna set these down because these are high value items. And I gotta look for my $20 off coupon. We still gotta get the TRD third brake light cover, but other than that, I'm gonna come back right now and just check these real quick. And overall, awesome score right here, guys. Oh, okay, I get to relax now. See, when you're in those type of situations where there's high valued items, you need to be quick. I was able to remove that spoiler within 5 minutes, and if you guys know what it takes to remove a TRD spoiler, or an action package spoiler, even though that is the correct name for it, you guys know that there's like a lot of double-sided tape on the spoiler and the hatch. So you have to go in there and get that double-sided tape off. So heat gun usually works, but where are you gonna get a heat gun plugged in out here? So what I do is, I don't know if they're called spatulas. They're the ones that you apply I think they call it stucco or mud on the on the sheetrock walls. Those spatulas, I use those. I guess I can show you guys when I get back to the car, but we're gonna go back right now to pull off the rear disc conversion on that GTS that wasn't on the notifications. But yeah, Pick-N-Pull prices have been through the roof. It is ridiculous how much these parts are nowadays. They used to be a lot cheaper. Now I think I'm paying like almost $80 for a damn bumper. It's like the lady wouldn't even give me a discount because the TRD bumper is cracked a bit, but I know how to plastic weld. It's not hard for me, but again, you want to talk to them, be nice to them, be like, hey, the bumper's cracked. You think you can knock off like $5-10 bucks off the price? And usually they'll say yeah, but I don't know, I guess this lady wasn't having it with me, but it is what it is. We got awesome parts. They're going to sell fast because the Celica meet is coming up, so I'm gonna post them probably once this video goes up. I'm gonna post them, and if you guys are interested in them, let me know. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. It is a little bit windy today. Someone's on our car grabbing our bracket. Oh yeah, we gotta grab our bracket. But we could do that afterwards. Let me go grab the rear disc conversion first. Saw it from a distance. I saw it from a distance. That is so funny. Do I grab it? The other one still hasn't sold, but I've been getting a lot of offers for it. Kind of sucks that it hasn't sold, and I don't even think I'm pricing it that expensive, guys. I really don't. But I'm almost gonna die. Do I take it? Yeah, let's take it. And just like that, we got ourselves a TRD muffler for the 2nd gen XB. Oh, Make sure I didn't forget anything. I got my phone. I got my wallet. Yeah, I think we're done. So now let's go back to that Celica that's over here. You can see they're about to set some cars down right here. Our Celicas are over here. I already went to go see the cars that they're about to set down. Nothing of interest. But I'm gonna take this rear disc conversion right here. All right, I think we're done for today. I got the TRD muffler for the Scion XB, and I got the full rear disc conversion for the Celica GTS GT 2005. So I'm tired. It's about 10:30. Let's get out of here. No, I didn't forget about the reservoir bracket. Got it. So let's get on out of here. Yo, AM PM with this cinnamon roll, like sausage breakfast sandwich. This thing is freaking good, man. I haven't had breakfast or lunch, and it's already creeping towards lunchtime, so I just decided to pick this up for now. And obviously, I got myself some vitamin water. So yeah, overall good score at the junkyards, man. Really happy with today's outcome. I'll give you guys a little recap once I get home of everything I got. So here's a recap of everything I got. Got the TRD muffler for the 2nd Gen XB. Got the rear disc brakes conversion kit for the Celica GTS. Action package rear bumper. Action package front bumper with these lame looking canards. And we got the TRD spoiler action package. Third brake light and the third brake light cover as well. Good score. So here's the recap of everything I spent. 131 for the rear disc and the TRD exhaust for the Scion XB. There are your prices. I hated that they charge a core for the backing plate. It's like, what do you want me to bring back? Like, what do you want me to bring back? I can believe the caliper, but the backing plate, come on. And then for the bumpers, about $70 with a $5 core. So I really hate that they be charging the cores, but it is what it is. I might have a bad bumper in the backyard, so I could probably go get my $5 next time I go visit Pick-N-Pull. Spoiler, wow, that's a lot more than what they used to charge for the spoilers. About $219 with my $20 rewards, about $200 for the 2 bumpers and the TRD spoiler. So there you go. There you have it. Boom. Thank you guys for watching.